There are several types of cruise control in a Honda CR-V 2012-2014. In my case, I have kind of Canadian, I think, system, and it says main, so for short for maintain my speed. And to activate the cruise control, you need to press this button. It may say main, it may say cruise or cruise main or whatever it says. Press this button and then you see this symbol on the dash. This symbol means that the cruise control is now activated. So when you see this symbol and you get to the needed speed, like for example, you go 50 miles per hour, and now you need to just press the set button, and when you press the set button you can let off the gas pedal and the car will maintain the speed for you. And then after that you can press shortly plus or shortly minus to change the speed for about 1 mile per hour. So when you press it once, it changes plus 1 mile per hour. And you will press it several times to increase the speed. Or you may press and hold it and it will increase the speed 6 or 10 miles per hour every second. I don't recommend this because in this way it's hard to control your car. It will speed up like crazy. And also, if you have the limit function, speed limit function, you can, when the cruise control is activated, you can press the lim and you will have the other symbol on the dash. It says limit, and now you can set the speed limit by pressing the plus and minus buttons here. So for example, if you set it like, well, let's say 50 kilometers per hour, your car will not go over this speed when you are in this function. And if you press main again, you turn off everything: cruise control, the speed limit function, and whatever else. So if you see this cruise control icon and you don't want it, you want to turn it off, just press main or cruise main button here once again, and you will turn it off. Now if you're going with the cruise control and you need to brake, you press the brake pedal, and at this moment the cruise control stops working, but you will still see this symbol here unless you press this cruise control button. And then for example, when the road allows you to use your cruise control again, you just press resume button. This is not reset as many people think, it's resume, and it resumes the speed that was set before that. Also, you can cancel the cruise control set speed. When you press the cancel button, it will cancel the cruise control speed, but it will not turn off the cruise control. So you will see this icon anyway. And if you press resume in this way, it will resume the speed that was set before. But if you press the main button and you don't see this icon, you will get nothing if you press resume. So it will not resume the speed that you had before. For this, you need to turn it on again and set the new speed.